Good morning, listeners, especially to our dear Cookery learners from different schools of the Division of Davao de Oro. How are you doing today? Wow, I love it that you are all doing great. Today is April 25, 2021. Welcome to the wonderful world of School in the Air, where you can learn as you listen on air at 88.5 Radio Z-eskwela. I am excited to share something new today. Join me this day as we will be together, listening and learning on air with Cookery, Home Economics. I am Teacher Michael J. Leones, ang inyong maestro sa kahanginan from Senior High School Department of Compostela National High School, the center stage of education performance, Division of Davao de Oro. Welcome to our new episode of Learning and Relearning Things. Alright, before anything else, I want you to be in your place where you are most comfortable. Again, find a place when you are comfortable while listening on Z Radio. Are you ready, learners? Wow, that's great! We are now in the 26th week in Cookery and tackle the learning outcome number 2. Cook poultry and gummy bird dishes. Before we start for our lesson, let me introduce to you our learning objectives. The objectives of today's lessons are: number 1, perform mise en place. Number 2, cook poultry and gummy dishes. Number 3, plate, present, and evaluate poultry and gummy dishes. Learners, please get your module in Cookery and make sure to listen carefully for you to be able to comprehend all the necessary learnings as we continue to explore to the world of cooking. Are you ready? I'm pretty much sure that everyone is ready, and we shall now begin our lesson. Today, we will be preparing a poultry dish or a chicken that suits in your appetite. We will be cooking a chicken teriyaki. Are you excited, learners? Do you have any idea of chicken teriyaki all about? Well, chicken teriyaki is a super easy chicken recipe cooked in a 10 to 15 minutes with no marinating process. Usually, teriyaki comes from the Japanese traditional cooking. Tere means to shine, and yaki means to broil or grill. However, we will be using the process of stir-frying, sautéing, and simmering method. A hint of garlic added a twist of traditional Japanese teriyaki chicken recipe and make it absolutely suit in your mouth and appetite. This is better than anyone store bought teriyaki sauce at your home. So, let's go to my kitchen. Hello learners! Welcome to my kitchen, the biggest kitchen. So this is my workstation where I cook and make my recipes in Cookery and very pastry. So, as I've told you, we will be cooking a traditional Japanese food or cuisine, which is the chicken teriyaki that absolutely suits your appetite. So, let's start! These are the following ingredients that we needed: 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of white sugar, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of mix of paprika, black pepper and salt, ginger, garlic, spring onion, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour or cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of oil, 2 tablespoons of water, and the last one is breast or chicken thigh.
In a frying pan, add the cooking oil. Put the chicken breasts or the thigh into the pan. Fry it until it turns into golden brown. it until the both sides of the chicken turns into golden brown. Add the mixtures of the prepared ingredients. Let it simmer by the heat to make the chicken more tender, juicy, and moist. Let the sauce becomes thicker. And that's it! It's already cooked and ready to serve.
So, this is our Japanese traditional cuisine, the chicken teriyaki. Bon appetit!
The Radyo Z-eskwela program of the Division of Davao de Oro is being brought to you by Nueda Builders Construction and Supply Incorporated, Maverick Builders Incorporated, Mitch Construction and Supply, Archicons Architectural Construction and Supply, DB Construction and Supply, Hanaway Builders Corporation, Phoenix Corvada Tagum Gasoline Station, Master Construction and Supplies, Mackenzie Builders, GP&H Construction Incorporated, Metro Gear Construction Corporation, NEN Builders and Development Services Corporation, Max Mays Enterprises Incorporated, We Inc. Construction Company, Rangay Construction and Supply, East Sussex Enterprise, WM Construction, Councilor Boogie and Miss Marjorie Vertodazo, Icon Builders and Supply, and Apex Mining Company Incorporated.
So learners, I will give to you a task at home. You are going to make this recipe I made, the chicken teriyaki. Just follow the recipe and procedures in making chicken teriyaki. Just follow also the video so that you will be guided properly. Understand? I will administer also the activity sheets together with the recipe and rubrics for evaluation of your performance. Take note, learners, don't forget to observe a mise en place and occupational health and safety, or OHS. If you are done this week, just take a picture of your final output and send it to my messenger so I can evaluate your performance. Thank you for tuning in and congratulations everyone. Please don't forget to submit all your output in my messenger or the messengers of your advisors or Cookery subject teacher. I am glad that you're with me until this time. Thank you so much. Once again, this is Teacher Michael J. Leones, leaving you a message from me. Always think, you are great. You are amazing. You're tremendous creatures. Stay who you are and be the silver lining of your own future to be a successful human being. Till next time, goodbye!
Z-eskwela Executive and Technical Working Committee. The school's Division Superintendent, Eufemia T. Gamutin Seso 5. Assistant Schools Division Superintendent, Dr. Romel R. Handayan. Curriculum Implementation Division OIC Chief, Dr. Arlene B. Lim. School Governance and Operations Division, Dr. Ruben J. Riponte. Program Director, Dr. Arlene B. Lim. Assistant Program Director, Noemi P. Canales. Members, Cecilia Morales, Dr. Hilda A. Opena, Dr. Eldecris B. Calzadora, Dr. Dexter A. Sikinia, Nohara O. Pinute, Dr. Grace D. Pontillas, Dr. Renato N. Pakpakin, Dr. Andy P. Cabodok, Juanito Lapiceros, Engineer Norberto S. Manlangit, Ryan Villanueva, Jomar M. Dumupoy, Bob Daylan S. Milabat, Medard D. Apit, and Paz Eugenia Villusino. Technical Working Committee, Production and Communications, Lorily E. Quijano, Given G. Hinampas, Judiland T. U, Donna D. T. Bolifer, Mary Rose N. Resma, Riwen C. Manuel, Irene Leia C. Manguhon, and Bessie Aya N. Banyes. Social Media and Packaging Team, Christian Anhara L. Martesio, William R. Ranara, Joan T. Iscoton, Roberto S. Acusar Jr., May B. Istaniol, Richard H. Arellano, Ralph A. Tabanyag, Angelo C. Gutierrez Jr., Jade Karen R. Arais, Eliza May Garsuta, Sedi S. Caballero, and Jane S. Caballero. Sa Z-eskwela, siguradong masaya. Right and only here at Z Radio 88.5, ang istasyong siguradong lingaw, siguradong kuyaw.